Today we're going to talk about YR27. It is one of my favorite colors, and not only mine, but it's one of those markers that we have to reorder every single week because we sell it so much. A lot of people see it as mustard color, and I guess it is a little bit, but depends on how you combine it with other colors, that you will get this beautiful golden mix that I love. Um, because of the combination of the yellow and the red ink in this marker, I had a hard time finding a Prismacolor pencil that would match. So I had to mix and match between them. So I have 3 pencils that we're using this time. My name is Elena with violetaink.com, and we sell Copic refills, sketch markers, Prismacolor pencils, and the nib replacements. Thanks. So this week we are going to start with a butterfly. This is the butterfly that I used this week for YR27. This butterfly comes from Michelle Houghton, and she is the creative force behind Copic in the Craft Room and Copic Bootcamp. The link to her store is going to be in the description box. So we started with YR27. On top of it was YR24, and this is YR23. This week we have 5 families in this YR27 video. This is BV23. I know that the 3 under the 7 sounds like not logical because we're underpainting, but if you can see it right here, even right now, the 27 is having a hard time overcoming BV23, but it will. Just give it a little bit. And this is YR23. BV23 is going to underpaint under YR27. And this is the bonus combination. We are going to mix the YR family with the E family. If you notice the E's, the 90s, they are not brown. They're more like peach colors, like bronze, something like that. Anyway, it was BV23, YR27. This is E97. And we're going to finish it with E95. Very different look, very different finish. For the natural family combination, I will say it's more like a copper color combination that we're getting. This is the Prismacolor pencil match. I had a hard time with this. I had to go back to my course with color pencil with Amy Schulke to remember, okay, which pencils do I have to use to be able to get this intense YR27. By the way, that course is awesome. I'm gonna put a link to in the description box. It is not Copic, it is pencil, but color is color, and you learn to mix a lot. Anyway, that was Lilac, the first one that I used, PC956. And then I added orange. Now, on the second one, I'm starting with orange, which is PC918. And then this one, on the first one, it's gonna start getting confused. It's PC956 Lilac, and then PC918 orange. And at the end is PC1034 goldenrod. So we are using lilac, orange, and on top of it, goldenrod. On the second one, I wanted to do it a little bit different. I added orange. Now I am adding goldenrod, and I'm gonna end it with lilac, which, if I remember correctly, I did not like it very much. So I'm gonna have to go on top of it with goldenrod again, and I did not. I just did that one. Just orange and goldenrod. I like the first one. Yeah, the one with the lilac. It gives it the intensity, the underpaint look. This is the natural family combination. We are using YR27. This is not underpainted. On top of it, with a little bit slower flick, YR24. Because of the mix of inks, the Y, which is the yellow, and the red, you see that it kind of looks like it's not blending, but it will. Just give it a little bit of time. Remember that at the end of this video, you're going to see the comparisons of all the colors, of all the swatches that I'm making, but I don't scan it today. I scan it one day after. I want to make sure that the ink has time to mix and blend and make friends. So even right now, you do see some flicking there, but it's already starting to blend. This is underpainting. BV23. Underpainting is going to desaturate whichever color you are using on top of it. So this one is gonna desaturate YR27. It doesn't make it darker. It doesn't make it a different color. It's just gonna make it, it's gonna desaturate it. It's kind of like when you close your eyes, when you make them tiny so you see through your eyelashes. That's what this is gonna do, is when something has shade or shadow. So on top of it, I use YR24 and then YR23. Now the bonus combination, we're starting with YR27 and we're gonna flick away. I promise I did clean my markers. I do not know why. It's kind of like when you have kids and they already ate, but as soon as you get to your mom's house, it's like, I'm hungry. This is it. I cleaned them. That was YR27 and then E97 and then E95. That is E95. It gives it a little peach orangey color. This is something that I would use in botanicals for sure. Now we're going to underpaint this. We are only underpainting where it will be far away from us or it is in shadow or shade. So that was BV23. This is YR27. YR27. Now we're going on top of it with E97. And then we're going to use E95. Sometimes I use the natural family combination or the bonus combination for the graphics that I make, you know, like the butterfly that Michelle is going to be making for us every week. And the bonus with that is that she will be posting whatever recipe I use and the pencils that I use. This is all about YR27. The natural family combination is YR27, YR24, YR23. We are underpainting with BV23 and the bonus combination is YR27, E97 and E95. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.